Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Monday, August 11th. The stock market posted a solid gain on Monday with notable strength in financials and retailers. The end result was not as strong as it could have been, however, as the stock market gave up half its advance in afternoon trade as crude prices recovered some losses and the Fed said that lending standards have tightened. The stock market inversely tracked oil price movements for most of the session as there was very little corporate news and no economic data on which to focus. The stock market fell 0.4% at its session low and rose 1.3% at its session high, which corresponded with the highs and lows for the day for crude prices. On that note, crude prices eventually ended the session with a loss of 0.5% at $114.62 per barrel, while the stock market posted a gain of 0.7%. Separately, the Fed's latest survey revealed domestic financial institutions tightened their lending standards on all major loan categories over the past 3 months. Specifically, 75% of domestic respondents tightened requirements for lending standards on prime mortgages, which is up from the previous survey's reading of 60%. The financial sector ended the day with a gain of 1.7%, but that was a substantial retreat from its session high when it was up as much as 3.8%. Consumer finance stocks, up 4%, saw the most buying interest. Goldman Sachs, meanwhile, underperformed on a relative basis after having its earnings estimates cut by Ladenburg Thalmann analyst Richard Bove, who said business has dried up at Goldman. The consumer discretionary sector, up 2.5%, was an area of notable strength. Retailing stocks in particular posted a solid advance of 4.8% after being up as much as 8% earlier in the day. Amazon.com soared 9.4% after Citigroup said sales of Amazon's electronic book reader Kindle appeared to be much stronger than expected. Expect more action out of the retailers this week, with quarterly earnings reports slated for Walmart and several major department stores. The energy sector, down 0.4%, was a laggard, with a steep drop in coal stocks acting as a major drag. The materials sector, also down 0.4%, also posted a loss. Mining stocks came under pressure after gold and silver prices tumbled in response to a 0.5% increase in the dollar index. In corporate news, Waste Management raised its offer to purchase Republic Services to $37 per share, or $6.73 billion, from $34 per share. This represents a 33% premium to Republic's share price prior to Waste Management's original proposal. Republic, which has agreed to merge with Allied Waste, said it will review the offer. Food products company Sysco said its latest quarterly earnings rose 12% year over year to 55 cents per share, which topped Wall Street's forecast of 52 cents. The company's results were bolstered by the ability to keep operating expenses in check. Small cap stocks outperformed, with the Russell 2000 index climbing 2.3%. This, along with strength in Amazon, helped the Nasdaq Composite outpace the Dow and S&P 500 in Monday's trading. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening and have a good evening.